Hey, welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of the digital revolution? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Crypto 101, the ultimate beginner's guide to understand cryptocurrency. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to expand your knowledge, this video is your ultimate guide to understand the fundamentals of cryptocurrency. Let's imagine a world where you have the power to control your own money, where traditional financial systems are challenged, and where opportunities for financial freedom abound. That's the world of cryptocurrency. And we are about to take you on an adventure that will leave you buzzing with excitement. At this point, it's time to hold tight because we are about to embark on a journey that will clear up the mystery of cryptocurrencies and prepare you for navigating this exciting landscape. But before moving forward, there is something that I want to tell you. It is that whatever amount we are going to earn from this video, we will donate 9% of our total earnings to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. Subscribe to the channel if you want to join us on our journey. Like the video if you enjoy it, and comment if you learn anything from it. Your contribution would have a significant impact on the lives of some unprivileged children and would be a great support. Let's give this video series a thumbs up by subscribing to our channel. So, grab your notepads and let's get started. What is cryptocurrency? Before we delve into the technical details, let's begin with the most fundamental question. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Simply put, it's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for secure transactions. Unlike traditional currencies issued by central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks called blockchains. Actually, blockchain is the backbone of cryptocurrencies, acting as a public ledger that records and verifies every transaction made. This technology ensures transparency and security and eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. Now let's explore the most famous cryptocurrency. Yes, we are talking Bitcoin. Number 1. Bitcoin, the pioneer. Bitcoin, created by an anonymous person or group called Satoshi Nakamoto, was the first cryptocurrency. It ignited the spark that led to the crypto revolution we are witnessing today. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has a limited supply of 21 million coins and is mined through complex mathematical algorithms. But what makes Bitcoin truly revolutionary is its decentralization. It's not controlled by any government or organization, making it resistant to censorship and providing financial freedom to individuals worldwide. Number 2. Altcoins and tokenization. Now, the other popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin is altcoins and tokenization. Actually, Bitcoin opened the floodgates for other cryptocurrencies known as altcoins. Altcoins are alternative digital currencies that followed Bitcoin's success. They introduced various improvements and innovations to the crypto space. Some popular altcoins include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Additionally, the concept of tokenization emerged, allowing the creation of digital assets on the blockchain. Tokens represent ownership of an underlying asset or can be used for specific purposes like utility tokens or security tokens. How cryptocurrencies work. Now, let's demystify how cryptocurrencies actually work. At the core, they rely on cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Each user has a unique cryptographic key, a public key, and a private key. When you send cryptocurrency to someone, your transaction is broadcasted to the network. Miners then validate and create group transactions into blocks. These blocks are added to the blockchain through a process called mining, where miners solve complex mathematical puzzles. Mining not only secures the network, but also incentivizes miners by rewarding them with newly minted coins or transaction fees. Once the block is added, the transaction is complete and the recipient receives the cryptocurrency. Now you must be thinking that how can you store and invest in these cryptocurrencies? Not to worry, we are here to guide you about this. Just have a look further. Sharing and using cryptocurrency. If you're considering investing in cryptocurrencies, it's crucial to understand how to store and use them securely. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, which can be software-based or hardware-based. Software wallets are applications that you can install on your computer or smartphone. They offer convenient access to your cryptocurrencies, but may be vulnerable to hacking if not properly secured. On the other hand, hardware wallets are physical devices that provide the highest level of security by storing your cryptocurrencies offline. When it comes to using cryptocurrencies, you can send and receive them by sharing your wallet's address. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique address format. To send funds, you enter the recipient's address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. It's important to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. The potential of cryptocurrency. Now that we've discovered the basics, let's talk about the potential of cryptocurrencies. Beyond their use as a medium of exchange, cryptocurrencies have various applications and benefits. Alright, cryptocurrencies enable fast and low-cost border transactions, providing financial inclusivity to the unbanked population. They also facilitate decentralized finance, allowing individuals to access lending, borrowing, and investment services without intermediaries. Furthermore, blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize industries such as supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems, ensuring transparency, security, and efficiency. Risks and challenges. As we discussed the types, working, and potential of cryptocurrencies, now it's time to know about the risks and challenges you may have to face while investing in cryptocurrencies. While cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities, it's essential to be aware of the risks and challenges associated with them. Cryptocurrencies have gained significant popularity and have the potential to revolutionize various aspects of the financial system. However, they also come with a set of risks and challenges that need to be considered. Here are some of the main risks and challenges associated with cryptocurrencies. Volatility. Volatility is a significant characteristic of the crypto market, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. This volatility can make them risky for investors and can lead to potential financial losses. Lack of regulation. Many cryptocurrencies operate in a decentralized manner, which means they are not regulated by any central authority or government. This lack of regulation can expose investors to fraud, market manipulation, and other illegal activities. It can also make it challenging to resolve disputes or recover funds in case of theft or loss. Security concerns. Cryptocurrencies rely on cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. However, the digital nature of cryptocurrencies make them susceptible to hacking, theft, and other security breaches. If proper security measures are not implemented, individuals can lose their digital wallets or have their funds stolen. Regulatory uncertainty. While some countries have embraced cryptocurrencies and developed regulatory frameworks, others are still in the process of establishing guidelines that have outright banned them. This regulatory uncertainty can create challenges for businesses and individuals using cryptocurrencies, as they may face legal and compliance issues. Market manipulation. Cryptocurrency markets are relatively young and less regulated compared to traditional financial markets. This can make them vulnerable to market manipulation, such as pump and dump schemes, insider trading, and price manipulation by large holders or whales. Environmental concerns. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, rely on energy-intensive mining processes, which consume significant amounts of electricity. This has raised concerns about their environmental impact and sustainability, especially as the popularity of cryptocurrencies grows. Moreover, the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies means that there is no central authority to regulate or protect investors. Therefore, it's crucial to do thorough research, exercise caution, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our beginner's guide to understanding cryptocurrency. We've covered the basics, explored Bitcoin and altcoins, discussed how cryptocurrencies work, and touched on their potential and risks. Remember, the world of crypto is a dynamic and ever-evolving space. So stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the opportunities that await you. Whether you're looking to invest, participate in decentralized finance, or explore innovative blockchain applications, the possibilities are endless. You must keep in mind that crypto space is constantly evolving, and there's always something new to learn. I encourage you to continue your journey by staying informed, joining online communities, and exploring the vast resources available. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey, and I hope this video has ignited your passion for the transformative power of cryptocurrencies. We personally suggest you read the 3 books which are mentioned in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for tuning into our video today. We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative and helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you guys in our next video.